In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a vintage jersey in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create a Design to start a new project. Go to the Elements tab and search for T-shirt mockup. Choose a plain shirt and add it to your canvas. Resize and position it so it fits nicely in your workspace. Now go back to Elements and search for jersey patterns or stripes. Add design elements like lines, sleeve accents, or shapes to build your vintage look. Adjust colors to match your theme and layer the elements properly on the shirt. Keep the design simple and clean for that classic vintage style. Next, add a logo by searching jersey logo in Elements or upload your own logo. Place it on the chest area and adjust the size so it looks balanced. You can also add text like a team name or number using the text tool. Once everything looks good, click Share, then download to save your design. That is how you design a vintage jersey in Canva.